the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. The meaning of our abiding in equanimity, that is like the sky, is that our circle is one. It is beyond expansion and contraction. It has no birth or death. It is a great eternity. It is round, without parts. It is totally omnipresent. It is infallible. It is uncontrived. It exists in the experience of unity. The great circle is a space of equanimity. 100,000 suns pervade the sky, and in a single moment, the darkness of samsara is overcome. The mirror of total clarity is a great light. We are self-luminous from out of ourselves. We experience ourselves. The pervasively encompassing Vajrasattva is supreme. He has the face of a stainless moon. He is the expanse of sky space. He is the soul of us all. This is self-originating wisdom. The all-good Vajrasattva has explained it. That is what he said.